So I've already co-washed my hair with the Pure-Licious Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. And now I'm taking the Strengthening Milk Masque Curl Repair and Deep Treatment, and this is for all curl types and transitioners. After parting my hair into 4 sections, I'm going to apply this starting from the ends to the roots, and this has the texture of like a buttery feel to it, which I love because it goes deep into the hair shaft. So if you're struggling with damaged curls, you may want to try this mask. So for all my type 4 curl friends, if you want to ensure that your hair is moisturized inside and out, saturate your hair. We can't just dampen our hair, it needs to be saturated to achieve as much moisture as possible. So with each product that I'm using, I'm getting some serious shine, which I am loving. And that's coming from the argan oil that is in each of these products. After letting it sit for about 20 minutes, I'm going to take the Butter-licious Curls Hydrating Cream and I'm going to apply that throughout my hair. I really like this product. Even though it's a cream, it's super lightweight and my hair is soft. It has argan oil, of course, and also contains shea and cocoa butter. Next, I'm taking the Twirling Custard Curl Styling Gel, and this is a cream custard, which is amazing, and I'm just applying it to large sections. And as you can see, my hair is shiny and it's bouncy. I mean, the shine is just unbelievable. And I'm just going to lean forward and air dry my hair by just shaking it out just a little bit, just to ensure that, you know, there's no water dripping and there's no products dripping as well. So as you guys can see, this line is great for wash and goes. These curls are popping. This is definitely a winner for me. So I will be completing a few more wash and goes. I will have a wash and go series using different product lines, and it'll be kind of like a first impression that I will do at least once a month, because I want to be able to help you all find a product that's going to work great for you. And so all the products will be listed in the description box below. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.